Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 comes with 10th generation thin and light laptop with a soft touch surface for more comfortable use. OS consists of preloaded Windows 11 with lifetime validity. It weighs about 1.7 kilograms. It has 10th generation Intel Core i3-10110U processor. Both MS Office Home and Student 2021 had been pre-installed. It has 8GB RAM which can be upgradable up to 12GB with Intel UHD integrated graphics card. It has an internal memory of 256GB. Battery life which stands up to 11.5 hours. It has a screen size of 15.6 inches with a resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels. It supports both headphones and speakers. It consists of 720 pixel camera with fixed focus. It has various ports such as two USB 3.2 Generation 1, one USB 2.0, headphone microphone combo jack, one HDMI 1.4B, 4-in-1 media reader along with Bluetooth connectivity. This package contains laptop, user manual and a power adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.